This 2023 Keystone Avalanche 360FL is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Texarkana, Texas, 75503 and is offered for sale by Genuine RV and Powersports. This new Keystone is 40 feet 1 inch in length and features 5 slideouts, a Easton interior, sleep 6, oven, smoke detector, air conditioning, TV antenna, LP detector, DVD player, slideout, skylight, microwave, water heater, and 66 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front living area, rear bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Keystone Avalanche 360FL is 13,680 pounds. This 2023 Keystone Avalanche 360FL. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Genuine RV and Powersports, visit RVUSA.com.